I've been working with a nonprofit organization called Forever Kids. 5 years ago, a board member called me and said, Tony, this foster kid moved 3 or 4 times, and every time she moved, she was given a trash bag to put all her belongings in. Only the belongings that could fit in that trash bag could go on with her. Everything else had to be left behind. He said, I think we need to give them a brand new suitcase, get rid of the trash bags, and that's what we decided to do, and we've been doing it for 5 years.
One of the reasons we do Case for Character is we really believe in the cause. Just by merely providing them with a suitcase and some wonderful gifts, it can change their lives. Hopefully when those children receive their suitcases, they are in awe of how cool it is that they have something that's their own.
In fact, we did our first real large corporate packing with Target CW.
You know, we think that every single child out there is beautifully and wonderfully made, from their heart to their personality to their soul. And if we can help bring that out by having them feel loved, we've done an awesome thing.